تحياتي. الفيديو التالي راح يكون باللغة الإنجليزية، الفيديو باللغة العربية بتجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow all Facebook pages, all at once with one single click. Before we go, don't forget to like this video, and if you like all my content, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you love it, active the bell so you get notifications soon as I upload a new tutorial. By the way, you can go to my channel and then to the playlists. There you can find some English playlists instead of trying to look on all my contents, because most of it is in Arabic. So just go to the playlist. You can find Facebook scripts and social media and so on, English tutorials. So let's go, guys.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh is information technology specialist.
شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh earlier.
Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
Shreateh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
So guys, as usual, to go to my website, the Facebook scripts page or category, just go to Google and search for Shreateh scripts. Once you are there, choose the free Facebook scripts extensions on my website, shreateh.com. Click and wait for my website to open. Once you are here, you will get some ads. There are two kind of ads. The first one is you can close it by the top right corner X, and the second one, if there is no X on the top right corner, you will have a button in the middle of the ad that says close. Click it and that's it. Make sure always you're on my website, shreateh.com. Once you clicked on an ad by mistake, you're gonna follow that or you may redirect to the ad page. The script we are talking here in this video called Facebook pages unfollow, unlike Facebook pages all at once. It doesn't matter that you will find the script on the top of all the other scripts. You may find it in the middle or in bottom. It depends on the updates. So click the script name to get into the script page. Once you are there, you will also get more ads. Each time you open my website or open a new page, you will get some ads. So just click on the X on the top right corner, or click on the X or on the close button. So I have a horrible internet right now, so just give me a time to check it. Okay, so now the page opened. This is the screenshot of the script. Scroll down. It's easy to use, easy to install. You will have this YouTube tutorial shows you how to install Facebook scripts loader. I'm gonna show you in this tutorial also how to install and use the script. Click here to download the script for mobile and all devices. This means that this script works on PC and mobile devices, whether it's an Android or an iOS device, or you are on Chrome, or you are in Safari, or you are on Mac, or you are on Windows. It doesn't matter. It works on all devices. So just click here. You will redirect to a new page. This is the script that we need. Just click inside the script with your left mouse. It will highlight it automatically. Right click and copy it. I like to choose cut to make sure that I copied all the script without any mistake. Now go back to Facebook. You need to add this script on your bookmark or on your favorite. You have many choices to add the script in your bookmark. You can click on this star icon to add a bookmark and edit it, or you can just show this bookmark bar by clicking Command Shift P if you are on Mac, or if you are on Windows, click Control Shift P to show this bookmark bar. The easiest way I like to add a bookmark on the bar is by carrying the address of the website and drag it on the bookmark bar. As you see here, this is the bookmark had been added successfully. Now right click and choose Edit. For the name, I will choose FB scripts. Choose whatever name you want. For the URL, clean it all, delete all inside this URL. Don't leave any dot or any or any character. Right click and choose paste, then choose save. Now we are done. This is our scripts loader. This is the script loader that loads all the scripts I developed, not all of them actually, the scripts that I developed inside the script loader. So this means that I will add more scripts inside the script loader. You don't need to update scripts loader. Any script I will edit, it will be automatically added to scripts loader. So hit it to run it. And as you see, loading, just wait. It depends on your internet speed. Sometimes it may take for several seconds. If you have a fast internet, it won't take that long, such as I have here. Now loading. Let's just wait. Okay, I will disable some notifications on my web mobile. So now it's still loading. Okay, I think my internet is not that good, so let me just reload the page. Looks like my internet is horrible. Now scripts back again. Come on. Actually, I'm using 3G. This is why. Okay, now the script running. Okay, after you run the script, you need to click here to run the script, as this instruction shows. Click it and then wait. Once you click it, just wait. If another page popped up, just close it. This means that run the script again. This means that you need to click OK. Facebook page will reload. After reload, run the script back again. This is the easiest way, or the way that you can run the script. Now scripts again, loading, just wait. Now the script will run perfectly with you. Just wait. As you see, here is all the scripts that you can choose to run. This is the scripts loader that loads all these scripts. In the future, I will add more scripts, inshallah. So the first one is actually, the first section is for profile scripts. The second section is group scripts. The last one is pages scripts, which is the one that we are making tutorial right now. So number 5 here, to run unfollow all pages. So what you need to do is to write the script number that you want to run. I want to run unfollow all pages, so I'll insert number 5, and number 5 should be in English, not in other character. Okay, after that hit OK. The script will be loaded successfully. The script is easy to use. You need to agree with the terms of use by clicking this box, check it, and hit the start button. Wait. As you see here, I have no pages to unfollow because this account has no pages to follow. You can check that if your account follows pages or not by going to this URL, facebook.com/pages, then scroll down to like it pages. You will see I have 0 pages here. I used the script before to unfollow all the pages. This is why I have no pages. Anyway, you can use the script. If there is any issue with this script, leave a comment below. I will fix it, inshallah. So now let me show you how to add the script using your smart device or your mobile device, because many of you asked always for a script for mobile devices. This script, as I said before, it works on all mobile devices, either you have iOS device or Chrome device or tablet or whatever. So let me connect my my device to. Okay guys, so this is the screen of my mobile. So now go to Google and search for Shreateh scripts. Okay, maybe I typed scripts wrong, but anyway, Shreateh scripts. Make sure you are on my website, shreateh.com, free Facebook scripts extensions. Hit it and you will be redirected to my website. You will get some ads. As I said, you will get some ads. The ads are easy to close. Just hit the X on the top right corner, or if you have a close button in the middle, click it. As you see, there is an X on the top right corner, click it. Okay, some of you guys may click on OK, thinking that the OK is the button that to close the ad. No, you need to click on the X on the top right corner. Anyway, if you click by mistake on an ad, make sure to go back to my website, shreateh.com. Always take a look on the URL to make sure that you are on my website, not on any other ad website. Let's click on the X on the top right corner to close the ad. Now scroll down to Facebook scripts. Where is the script that we are talking about here? This is our script, Facebook pages unfollower. So let's click it, and once you are in this page, you will get more ads. Click on the X on the top right corner to close this ad. Scroll down If you did not see an X on the top right corner to close an ad, you may get a close button on the middle of the page. Now let's scroll down. Okay, am I lost? Okay, no, I'm not lost. Here is click here to download the script for mobile devices. Let's click here, and here is the page that says you need to copy all this code, which is a script loader. I like always to cut the script instead of copy it, because this helps me to make sure that I copied it all without forgetting any character. If you forgot any character, the script won't work with you. So now click. Actually, I'm using iPhone, so this is a Safari browser. If you are using Chrome on Android or whatever device you are using, you need to find the way that you can add a bookmark and modify it to paste the script loader on your bookmark. So on iPhone, there is a share icon down below here. Click it, and then you will get add to bookmark or add to favorite, whatever one you like to do. I like to add to bookmark. I will choose Facebook folder here. I created it before. Now for the title, I will type FB scripts and Shreateh. On Safari, I can't modify the URL to paste the script loader, because at the first time you add a bookmark, there is no option to modify this URL. I'm using iOS 14. I don't. You may get, maybe Apple will add it in the future, I don't know that, but in case that you have some issue like this way, it's not an issue actually, it's that the way that Apple coded this iOS operating system. Anyway, so let's go and click on save on the top right corner. Now bookmark added successfully. To modify the bookmark, there's a book icon down here. Click on this book icon, and here's our script, FB scripts Shreateh. Down here, edit button, click and edit. Now bookmark is being synced, so just wait a second before you click on edit again. Now FB scripts Shreateh, let's click it, and now we have an option. There's an X here. We can click the X and delete all the address, all the URL. One click and choose paste, and from the keyboard click done, and then done here at the end, and done from the top. This is how we add a scripts loader in your bookmark Safari for iOS or iPhone device. Let's go to Facebook. Okay, sorry. Let's go to Facebook. Where is Facebook? Here, Facebook. Now here's Facebook. The easiest way to run the script is that to go to your bookmark and click on the script name, the bookmark that we just added. Now loading, just wait. Also it depends on your internet speed. It didn't ask me to click on an ad to run the script because I did it on Arabic tutorial, but for you will get at the first time, click here to run an ad. A new page will open, close it. Anyway, I don't know if this, let's close them all and close the private and go to private again and type Facebook, because I want this tutorial to be clear with you guys. And Facebook here, let's just sign in again. Okay, don't worry about this, this is just a test account. Okay, there is no privacy or security in this video that you are showing right now, even email address or whatever. So let's run the script again, and now it will ask me to click an ad for sure. Now, yeah, as you see, once you click an ad, a new page will pop up or will open. This page you need to ignore, just ignore it, close it. Okay, that is an ad. Go back to Facebook and wait. You will see a pop up here says that refresh or let's run the script again. Click OK. The Facebook page will reload. If it did not reload, just refresh it manually. So let's run the script back again, and done. Now let's click number. What script we want to use? We want to use the number 5 script, which unfollow all pages. Make sure to type the number in English without any spaces. Now 5, and then OK, and boom, the script runs successfully. Agree with the terms of use. Click on terms of use to read it if you don't know what is terms of use, and after that hit start button and wait. Now done. I don't have here also pages to unfollow because I already unfollowed them using this script. This script is so easy to use, guys. Just you need to like this video, comment below for any issue, subscribe to my channel if you like the content, share with your friends, and if you have any suggestion for future scripts for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media account or social media platform you want, just keep your suggestion and comments below. I will glad to read and reply you all. Okay, guys.
خليل شريطة
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh, information technology specialist.
خليل شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh earlier.
Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
Shreateh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين نفاذ خليل شريطة.